Hey everybody, it's Dr. Eudene again, here with a quick update. Researchers are showing us again that aging does not have to look the way that it looks in the Western culture. In fact, what they're finding out is that our hearts and our brains can age at a much slower pace that they're currently aging. And what that means is that we will have less heart disease, significantly decreased risk of dementia and things like that. So how did they go about doing this? What was this other research all about? Well, they took a look at a tribe in the Amazon called the Samani. These are indigenous people that kind of live in the Amazonian rainforest, right? And they follow a diet that's significantly different than ours. They're still very traditional. There's farming, hunting, gathering, fishing, and pretty much practices that they've been doing for a very long time. What the researchers discovered was that in 2017, they found that these individuals have the healthiest hearts in the world, with the lowest reported levels of heart disease than any other population anywhere. So this was really significant. But then they took it a step further and they wanted to look at brain health, because actually recently studies are telling us that if your heart is healthy, then your brain tends to get healthy as well. And what they found, y'all, was that in this tribe, the brain did not go through the amount of shrinkage, or it did not shrink as much as our brains tend to do as we get older. They tend to hold on to more of their brain volume. And this oftentimes is associated with cognitive decline, dementia, issues with memory problems, etc. So this is really just an amazing study that was done. And of course, they did the brain studies by actually using an MRI to calculate the brain volume. So once again, our lifestyle and the way we eat and our stress levels and all of it contributes to us living a healthier lifestyle. And this is what I'm here for. I'm here to help all of us. It's not about perfection. It's about progress. And the more you know. Until next time, this is Dr. Eudene saying bye-bye.